We're getting to some news from Mumbai. This is about the drug link allegations. Former Dharma Productions employee Kshitij Prasad appears to have made a sensational claim, says he's being forced to implicate the top filmmaker Karan Johar. That's the big news coming in. He claims a cigarette butt is being claimed as a drug, and he's giving his defense. He is saying he's being forced, likely it appears, by the Narcotics Control Bureau to implicate Karan Johar. Remember, Karan Johar has already given a statement that he's not really known to Kshitij Prasad. Kshitij Prasad was a former employee of the Dharma Productions. But as of now, this is a big claim coming in by Kshitij Prasad that he's being forced to implicate the top filmmaker, and that a cigarette butt, likely that was recovered, is being claimed as as a drug in Mumbai. Mustafa Sheikh is joining us for all the latest on that. Mustafa, that's a big allegation that he's making, and it appears it's clearly on the Narcotics Bureau that they are forcing him in custody to implicate Karan Johar.
Time that any accused, all of these accused who have been arrested till now, Kshitij Prasad has made some serious allegations, and he has went down to name the deputy director Samir Wankhede, clearly saying that he was basically harassing him and there was a torture in the custody. All of this has been recorded by the magistrate. The sensational claim by Kshitij Prasad is that he was told to basically implicate the former employers Karan Johar and others from the Dharma Productions in this entire case. When he refused, they said that action will be taken against him. He will not be basically allowed to speak with his family, with his lawyer. Only after he signed a statement, which he was told that he can retract later, he was allowed access to his lawyers. And these are sensational claims that magistrates had heard and still given a police custody or the NCB custody for Kshitij Prasad. Back to you.
Mustafa, so this is already while Karan Johar has distanced himself both from Kshitij Prasad and his contribution in the Dharma Productions, but this is actually a big claim, and we'll wait and watch what the NCB has to say. But Kshitij Prasad, who's a producer, executive producer, is in custody. So the NCB clearly has some more days to question him further, because he's also saying there's nothing of drug nature recovered from him.
Yes, of course. He's saying that there was an old cigarette butt left in the balcony of his house, which was recovered, saying that it is a drug joint, and that was mentioned in the Panchnama. And he is saying that it was his wife who insisted with the NCB that at least they should add the word believed. It is believed to be a drug joint, so that it can be basically found out later what it was. So there is serious allegations, because if the NCB is saying that they have recovered drugs, and there is an accused who is saying that it was a cigarette butt which was recovered and it was being claimed that it's narcotics, then there are serious lapses and serious allegations. Till now, nobody has made such allegations against the Narcotics Control Bureau, and also naming of Karan Johar and other Dharma Production guys. Whether the NCB has a mandate which they are targeting at is a big question to be basically solved while this thing has been made on. The NCB's response to entire this allegation will be important, what they have to say about it, because if there's a consumption case against Kshitij Prasad, why he was arrested and why is he believed, whether there is some messages, some transaction to make believe that he is a supplier or he is a peddler or he is a drug dealer, so that his investigation is required. Back to you.
Is he making a very strong claim that must be probed further, that he's being forced to implicate the top filmmaker? Stay on with me, Mustafa. More breaking news coming in.